This is the Iron Trader. It's about 5 p.m. in the afternoon here. The pit's closed at 2:30, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, yesterday, or I should say, yesterday's high was 89.37. Today's high was 89.64. So we have a little bit higher high here. Okay, so let's just look at the upside here. What we want to do is look to the left of the chart here, like I've been saying here. And basically what we're doing is we're looking at this candle right here at 90.10. Okay, that is going to be very, very strong resistance because you can see how many times that all these candles have hit it. So we'll just look at the 90 area here on a closing basis. Now, again, if you can get higher than that, then your next level is going to be right here, this candle here. You're looking at 93.74. So basically looking at 94. That would be your big upside target if this 90 area here is breached. Okay, very simple. All right, so let's just look here on your downside here. Okay, well, what we want to do is look at this 87.41, your 8 SMA. Very, very critical support level there. And then what we're going to do is look at these candles below it. You have 87.22. You have 86.71 here. And you have 86.15. And then we want to look at this candle right here. This is your 84.89. That's going to be your crucial candle here if all of this 8 SMA here is lost. And then we just follow the candles right on down here. So you got 83.69 on this candle. You have 83.46, and then we have 83.07. That is your 21 SMA here. Now, we've had a really, really good run up here from this basically $77 area. But it's looking for the 90 area here. So just always look to the left of the chart. So if you can break ahead above and close above that 90.10 area, then 93.74 to 94, that will be the next target after that. Now, when you look at the RSI here, oh yeah, see, very, very bullish. It isn't like this here where you had the negative divergence. This is just basically nice sideways action, which tells me that this is a very, very strong here. It is in play. Your MACD here, nice crossover, still in play here. No issues there. So we just got to see how it all is going to shake out here. But if you notice that the natural gas and the gasoline is not following what crude is doing here, okay? So when you look at the reports there today, last night the API report came out. Man, you had huge builds across the board. Today, the EIA report, you had builds across the board here. I have everything posted after the video here for you, along with the support and resistance levels. So just want to always check that out. So again, watch this key 8 SMA here, and then on the upside, watch the 90.10 and basically 93.74, 94 area. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, we look at a monthly chart here, looking very, very good here, okay? You can see, boom, right here, right above that key 21 SMA. That's going to be key support, 86.91. But you've had quite a few months here now, very much in the green here, rolling up very, very nice. Again, if that's going to be key support. If not, then we come down to your 8 SMA here, basically 77.67. You have your 200. But you're really now above your key SMAs here. Very, very bullish here still. Now, you look here on your weekly, look at here, very, very nice. The key is you want to watch that 85.90, that's your 100-day, but look at your 8-day, see? Beautiful. Following it all the way up. So if it pulls back here, watch your 100-day, watch your 8 SMA here. That was going to be your key support levels here, just like it was right there. And then again, if that's lost, you want to look to this 50 SMA here, and then your 21. That 21 is lost, you're going to come right down to this 68.92 and then 63.64. Now, when you look at a seasonality chart here, you know, you're bullish all the way here to the end of September on the crude oil here. And then you basically either want to sell or short it. I usually short it all the way to the first week of December. And then you want to go long to the first couple of days there in January. So that being said here, let's just watch this all play out. Don't get on the short side here until basically the market will tell you, okay? So you either want to put in a double top, you want to put in, a red dog on the top here where it goes higher and closes down lower, or you want to start putting in a series of lower lows or start breaking some of these key SMAs. But right now, it's a bullish trend. Ride it out. All right, here we go. Let's try a little natty gas. Okay, natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, again, off this double bottom here, really nice run up, 2.78. Again, where did it go today here? Got as high as 2.777. Just couldn't get it. Well, when you see this pattern, that tells me you got to sell or you got to short and come right on down. And then when it comes on down, where did it go? Look at the 200-day. See, boom, right into the 200-day. Look at the candle, okay? Then where does it go? Rally right back up. So now your support levels here, you want to watch that 8 SMA there, 2.7, 2.689 on your 50-day, and then you have your big retest there sitting at about 2.64. On the upside, watch the 21 SMA here. You're looking at 2.728, 2.77. Your breakout is 2.78. Just doesn't get really any easier than that. As long as you trade the chart, just watch these key levels here on the support, and then when you see that double top with a lower high, that tells me sell or short, okay? Now here on your 4-hour chart here, well, everything's still intact here, okay? There was your double bottom, came down, 250 area, held these two key levels here and rallied right on up here. So now, just again, watch that 2.78, and then you come right back up here to this 2.86. This is your double top level, and if you can get above this, then we just keep rising right here. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly chart here. Well, right now you're looking actually very good here on the weekly. You're above the 2.654 and you're above the 2.54. Those are your two key levels there of support. Now, again, if it can rally right on up here, well, we want to look here to this candle here. This is the 3.02. You notice your 200-day is just sloping right on down. Now you're just right around the three level here. What you really need to do is break out of this price channel here and get this price above that 200-day where you get that 200-day rolling on up here. But there's plenty of time here for natural gas here. You got a couple, 3-4 months here yet of good trades on natural gas on the long side. If it goes right on up here, this is what you're looking at here, the 3.46, and then this is 3.76. That's your 200 SMA here. All right, now here on your daily chart, this is looking okay. Well, let's just see. Yesterday's high, you had 2.782. Today, that 2.77. So you went right up there in the resistance. But you notice when it sell down, you're holding all that nice key support level. So basically, your 21 is sitting at 2.62, 2.64, and then your 50-day is sitting at 2.65. So basically, look at the top of this candle right here, okay? That's sitting at 2.659. Call it 2.66. That's what we need to hold, and that's what you're holding. Okay, so we got to see how it shakes out tomorrow here, because today's candle actually, looks like it did a lot, but really still just an inside day of the previous day's candle. Okay, but good scalping in here. That's the key. Scalped UNG there, 10,000 shares. I think I got like almost 40 cents out of that today. Really good scalping in that there. I didn't do anything on the short side because I'm in a long-term trend here, so I'll just scalp the longs right now. But again, if we can close above this key level here, 2.78, then you want to look right here, okay? 2.86, there's your price channel, and then higher, we're going to look for this candle here, and basically this 200 SMA. That's going to be very key level of resistance. All right, I'll have more for you tomorrow on Neo Crude and on natural gas before 8 o'clock. And then just remember, tomorrow the natural gas EIA report will be out at 10:30, and the rig count will be out on Friday at 1 p.m. All right, thanks for watching.